What if the machine you are using right now is already a digital ghost? Right now, the world's most powerful engineers are finalizing the hardware that will make the laptop and your privacy a relic of a primitive, forgotten past. The glowing screen in front of you is a dying relic of a primitive era. For decades, we have been tethered to these rectangles of glass and metal. But the era of the physical keyboard is reaching its final, silent breath. Something is coming that will make your current technology feel like a typewriter. It is not a new model, but a complete erasure of the hardware. We are moving toward a world where computing becomes as invisible as air. Can you feel the shift happening in the shadows of the tech industry? The transition has already begun, hidden behind marketing terms and sleek designs. Soon, the very concept of owning a device will be entirely obsolete. Prepare yourself for the moment the screen finally disappears from your hands. Look at the laptop you use today. It is essentially a heavy anchor. It demands your posture, your eyes, and a constant connection to a wall. We have accepted these limitations as the peak of human digital interaction. But the lithium-ion heart of your machine is reaching its physical limits. Silicon chips can only get so small before physics begins to break down. We are currently living in the plateau of the personal computing revolution. Every new laptop release is just a minor refinement of a dying form. They give us more speed, but they cannot give us true freedom. The laptop is a cage that keeps your digital life in one place. Why do we still carry these heavy slabs across the entire world? The friction of hardware is the last barrier between thought and execution. Big tech knows that your laptop is the final bottleneck for profit. They want to remove the physical object to reach your mind directly. Imagine a world where you never have to log in ever again. The device of the future doesn't sit on your lap or desk. It exists in the very space between your eyes and the world. We are entering the age of spatial computing and persistent digital layers. This is not science fiction. It is the current trajectory of Apple. Microsoft and Meta are betting their entire futures on this inevitable shift. They are building the infrastructure to replace every screen you own. The first phase is already here. High-end spatial reality headsets. These devices are currently bulky, expensive, and socially awkward for now. But remember the first cell phone. It was a brick for the wealthy. Technology always shrinks until it becomes a part of our own bodies. Within 5 years, the headset will shrink into a pair of glasses. These glasses will project a 100-inch monitor directly onto your retinas. Your desk will be empty, yet you will see infinite workspace everywhere. No more neck pain, no more backpacks, no more physical constraints. But the transition won't stop at glasses. That's just the beginning. The ultimate goal is the complete removal of the visual interface entirely. Welcome to the era of the neural interface and direct brain-computer links. Why use your hands to type when you can simply think? Neuralink and Synchron are already proving that the mind can control software. This is the point where the laptop finally dies a permanent death. You will become the computer, and the internet will be your subconscious. The cloud will serve as your external memory, accessible in milliseconds. We are trading our physical tools for a permanent biological upgrade. But ask yourself, who owns the operating system inside your head? This is the hidden price of a world without laptops and phones. We are giving up the ability to ever truly turn technology off. Privacy was easy when the computer was a box on your desk. You could close the lid and walk away into the physical world. In the future, your lid is your own eyes and your ears. Data harvesting will move from your clicks to your very emotions. Algorithms will know you are tired before you even feel the fatigue. They will sell you a coffee before your brain even registers thirst. This is the ultimate dream of the advertising and surveillance state. A laptop was a tool. The new tech is a parasite. It feeds on your attention without ever needing you to reach out. Can we still call ourselves users if we are the product? Consider the physical loss of the tactile world around us today. When the laptop dies, the boundary between here and there dissolves. You will never be alone with your thoughts in a connected mind. The silence of a dark room will be filled with digital noise. We are trading our solitude for the convenience of infinite information. The work-life balance will become a concept from a dead language. If you can work from your mind, when do you ever stop? The capitalist machine will demand every second of your waking existence. Your dreams may eventually be sponsored by the highest corporate bidder. This is the terrifying reality of the post-hardware world we want. We are racing toward this future because it feels like progress. We love the speed. We love the lack of heavy baggage. But we are forgetting what it means to be physically present. The laptop was the last bridge back to the analog world. Once it is gone, the bridge is burned forever behind us. We will look back at 2024 as the era of freedom, a time when you could still leave your computer at home. In 10 years, the very idea of home will be digital. You will live in a curated simulation that replaces your reality. The laptop is just the first domino to fall in this. After the laptop, the smartphone is the next to be executed. Then, the television, the monitor, and eventually the physical desk. We are dematerializing our entire civilization in favor of the cloud. What happens when the server goes down and your reality vanishes? You will be blind in a world you no longer recognize. We are becoming entirely dependent on a system we cannot see. The laptop allowed for decentralization. The BrainLink requires total central control. This is the ultimate consolidation of power in human history. One software update could change the way you perceive the truth. You won't even know your thoughts have been edited by AI. Is the convenience of an invisible laptop worth your very soul? We are at the final edge of the human era today. The next generation will not understand what a screen even was. They will be born into the net, woven into the code. Your laptop is a tombstone for the world we once knew. Cherish the weight of the metal in your hands right now. It is the last thing you truly own in this life. The future is coming, and it has no need for hardware. Are you ready to disappear into the invisible machine forever? The end of the laptop is the beginning of the end.